There are times when you don't know the people at the event or at the dinner table. And when you start sharing those experiences related to wine and food, you find that the evening passes so much quicker. The majority of people, when they order the wine, it gets poured, they sip it, they'll go through the normal aspect of looking, swirling, nosing, tasting, and then the wine will take second place. There are times when you don't know the people at the event or at the dinner table. And if I can suggest, with a particular wine, rather than just asking them, what do you think of the wine? Perhaps have a series of questions. Oh, this wine's from Italy. Have you visited Italy? What did you like about Italy? Which food was of particular taking that you enjoyed more than others? What wine did you pair? And when you start sharing those experiences related to wine and food, you find that the evening passes so much quicker, as opposed to, oh, how are you? What do you do? Where do you live? Did you watch that sports show? This has more significance. And in my many campaigns of dinners and parties and events, I find that if one begins the conversation as a suggestion to you, you may find the evening more rewarding, and it will certainly open up many roads of friendship that you never thought possible. So, enjoy your wine. So please comment, like, share, or subscribe to our videos.